Good morning, students. Today we discuss about matter around us. Matter around us. In this lesson, now we discuss the effect of temperature on change of state. Effect of temperature on change of state. On temperature, substance changes into one state to another state. For example, ice. On heating, ice converted into liquid water. On further heating, the liquid water converted into water vapor. The ice on heating, ice converted into liquid. At this stage, the temperature of first take one glass jar, put some ice blocks in the glass jar, and put one thermometer. The thermometer contact with ice cubes. This glass jar heated with help of spirit lamp. Initially, the temperature of thermometer in ice cubes is 0 degrees Celsius. Slowly, we heat the glass jar with help of spirit lamp, and slowly the ice cubes melt and converted into liquid water. In this liquid water, at this stage of liquid water, the temperature of thermometer is same, 0 degrees Celsius. This is the melting point of water. 0 degrees Celsius is the melting point of water. On further heating, the water starts evaporate. The water boiling and converted into vapor state. On further heating, the temperature of thermometer does not increases. It shows a constant temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Further heating, the water converted into water vapor, boiling water. The temperature of that boiling water always shows the 100 degrees Celsius. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. It does not increase the 100 degrees Celsius in the thermometer. The solid substance converted into liquid substance, liquid state. This process is known as fusion or melting. Solid ice cubes converted into liquid water at same temperature. The temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. This process is called fusion. Solid ice converted into liquid water. This process is called fusion or melting. On further heating, the water starts boiling. And starts vapor. The escape from the glass jar in the form of vapor enter into the air. So the temperature of thermometer always shows the 100 degrees Celsius. This 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. Your textbook page number 39. Page number 39. This is the glass jar. Put some ice cubes in the glass jar and enter the thermometer. Thermometer is close contact with ice cubes. Heat the glass jar with spirit lamp. Ice cube is converted into liquid. The temperature of ice cube in the ice cube is 0 degrees Celsius. The ice cube converted into liquid. The temperature of liquid is also 0 degrees Celsius. So this is the melting point of water, melting point of water, that is 0 degree Celsius. Now increase the further heating the glass jar, it starts boiling. The boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius. The solid state or solid substance converted into liquid state, it is called fusion. Fusion or melting. The liquid substance on heating, the liquid substance converted into vapor state, it is called latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of vaporization. The solid substance, 1 gram of solid substance converted into liquid state, it is called latent heat of fusion. 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 The solid converted into liquid state and heating. The liquid converted into vapor on heating, liquid converted into vapor state, it is called latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. The liquid state converted into, the solid state converted into liquid state on heating. This process is known as latent heat of fusion. The liquid substance converted into vapor state on heating. This process is known as latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. Next one, effect of change of pressure. Effect of change of pressure. We know the carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas in the CO2 cylinder compressed with high pressure. In carbon dioxide cylinder. In CO2 cylinder, the CO2 gas is compressed with high pressure. We decrease the pressure of carbon dioxide. The solid carbon dioxide is directly converted into vapor state. The solid state carbon dioxide directly converted into vapor state. The vapor state carbon dioxide is converted into solid carbon dioxide. The solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. The solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Dry ice means CO2, solid CO2. Solid CO2 is called dry ice. Not ice. It is a carbon dioxide gas, but is in solid state. The solid carbon dioxide gas is called dry ice. Okay. The effect of change of pressure. If we decrease the pressure, the carbon dioxide gas changes into vapor state. The carbon dioxide gas compressed with high pressure in the CO2 cylinder. In our house, the LPG gas compressed with the high pressure LPG gas in the gas cylinder. Okay, that is the effect of change of pressure. Pressure increases, the volume of gases decreases. Sometimes converted into solid state. The solid carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas, is called dry ice. Slaked means dry ice, dry CO2. Okay. Next one, evaporation. Escaping the water molecules from its surface. Escaping the water molecules For example, take a glass jar and filled with water and heat this glass jar with help of spirit lamp. After some time, the water boiling and it starts evaporation, starts evaporates in the surrounding air. The surface of water molecules start evaporate in the atmosphere or in the air. That is the evaporation. It receive more heat energy. The surface of water molecule receive more heat energy than inside the water molecules in the glass jar. The water molecule escape from the glass jar and enter into the surrounding air or atmosphere. For example, we dry wet class. The drying of wet class. Drying of wet class, water changes into directly vapor state without heating, without boiling point. Generally, the water converted into vapor state at the boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Here, below the boiling point of water, the wet class, water present in wet cloths, changes into and escape from the class in the form of vapor state. Below its boiling point. Below boiling point of water. Boiling point of water, how much, sir? 100 degrees Celsius. Below boiling point of water, from wet class escape in the form of water vapor. That is the vaporization. Escape the surface water molecules in the atmosphere or in the air, because the surface water molecules gain more heat energy than inside the water molecule, so it escapes the atmosphere or into the air. It is called vaporization. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class.